I just want to show everyone a quick clip of our RFID door lock. We're going to have a full video up soon explaining all of the parts and functions, but we're about finished with the code here, so just a quick demo of how it works. Over here we have some RFID cards and a little RFID tag here. Just going to scan an invalid card, and this one over here is a valid card. And these cards over here that are invalid, we can actually go and program right into the system and make them all valid. And it seems to work pretty well. It's all based on the Arduino and this ID20 RFID reader. So a full video will be out pretty soon. So look for that in sometime this week.